Welcome to Ivory and Ebony with Charlene and Alexis.
Today we're here in the kitchen doing something a little different because we're going to be mixing up a face cocktail.
Face cocktail,
What does this cocktail contain, Charlene?
Manuka honey, turmeric, and yogurt.
All of which have awesome properties for your skin, which we'll describe along the way as we're mixing it up and applying it to our bare faces. Let's get started.
Yes, let's do it.
All right, guys. So Charlene is going to be doing the mixing, and we've got two bowls set up here because, well, we've got two faces. So Charlene, what are the measurements on these products?
This is a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder.
Because it does a lot of staining, right? So you want the least amount of that.
Definitely want to use just a little bit. Then over here, you've got a teaspoon of the Manuka honey. And guys, please make sure that you order the Manuka honey that comes from New Zealand and make sure that it has been tested and verified to make sure that it's the right kind of honey, because, you know, they sell some others that are not Manuka honey. And you've got a tablespoon of plain yogurt, and try to get the organic one because you want to make sure it's all natural for your face. That's for your first bowl. Tap it off, get everything out of there. And you level it off at the top again, okay? Might I mention here, we're using a glass cutting board because this turmeric, it's very staining and you don't want to mess up your countertop, especially if it's white or any part of your kitchen or your nails or anything like that. Okay, moving on with the yogurt. You can make a little music, yeah. All right. And then last but not least, our Manuka honey. Look at that, guys. Did you notice how thick that is? Look at that.
Doesn't even come out of the spoon.
Doesn't even come out of the spoon, jeez.
It is so rich. This is awesome too if you've got a sore throat, want something soothing. It's delicious.
It all the time. Guys, I take it all the time, especially during this pandemic. You want to make sure that if you think you're getting sick, you tackle it right away because, oh my God, you don't want to get sick. And this stuff, it's a miracle worker.
Yes, it's got its antibacterial properties. We'll talk more about some of the properties when we're putting it on our face in a minute. So you've got everything here. You're just going to mix them up. There's no science to it. Now we're going to take a brush and apply it to our faces. I don't want to dirty up my hands or stain my nails. You can always use gloves as well.
So we're going to get started with applying the facial, and we're going to be using this Luxie foundation brush.
This is an easy one. You don't need anything special for this, but definitely want to do this instead of using your hands because it stains really badly.
Very staining. You don't want that. So go ahead and mix it around with the brush.
Got our nice, beautiful yellow glow.
Ooh, it's gorgeous.
Nice and thick.
Super thick. That's the Manuka honey, guys. And the yogurt combined.
So the turmeric, what do you want to talk about first, Charlene?
Now, let me just let you know, the turmeric, it's super anti-inflammatory. So this mask will help fight against congested skin.
Yes.
And bacteria that definitely, you know, needs to be worked on for that angry looking breakout look.
That's something I've been dealing with lately. So I have rosacea and acne. So the rosacea gets really bright red, and this is great to kind of tone that down, calm it down because of the anti-inflammatory properties. Also, the acne that's been popping out on my face, this is a good one for that. As well as the Manuka honey. So the Manuka honey has also antibacterial properties which help with getting rid of that acne. What else does it do? It sloughs away some of the dead skin, right?
Definitely. And guys, it gives a nice balance to your skin for the pH level. It really helps with debris for your skin. It makes it clean. It cleans it out. I like to go like a little thicker on the cheeks, although, you know, when they say you don't apply additional product, it won't make a difference, but
try to get it in there, right?
I try to get it in there.
I really like the addition of yogurt to this mask because yogurt is a natural probiotic. So it's also going to help with any bacteria, especially pigmentation issues, right? So if you suffer from that.
The hyperpigmentation issues, this is going to really clear that up a bit.
Yeah, because what it does is the lactic acid breaks down the skin cells and it promotes growth of new skin cells. So that's very helpful.
And who doesn't love a good probiotic?
We all need one.
We all
especially
need
for our gut.
To rejuvenate and moisturize our skin. Go in with your yogurt. And it's so cooling, guys. So it like changes everything around. It feels so cooling going onto your skin. It's
nice and chill. Yes, make sure I would hope that your yogurt is refrigerated. So we pulled that right out of the fridge. That's why it's nice and cool. Don't want any spoiled yogurt on your face.
Oh, that would not be good.
So good.
Look at that. And guys, never neglect your neck. It needs love too.
Shiny little neck.
Definitely. Just get it
Get my mustache.
Yeah.
My chin. This is where I get the most acne along with my forehead.
Yeah. Make sure you get it on real good there.
I'm glowing. All right, guys, so we're going to introduce some words of the day.
Word of the day.
Yes, in both Español y Portugués.
¿Por qué no?
Well, I just said that in Spanish, not in Portuguese.
Why not?
Anyhow, so what's the word of the day, Charlene?
The word of the day is pandemia.
And in Portuguese, so that's Spanish, and in Portuguese it's pandemia. So it's almost identical, just a little different pronunciation. And I'm sure you guys can guess what that means. As we're all bored at home during this pandemia or pandemia, we are taking care of ourselves, right? Pandemic time.
Absolutely. Pandemic self-care time.
All right, we're ready to take it off. It's been 15 minutes. So you take a washcloth, nice and warm. Usually you do this over the sink, right?
Absolutely.
We didn't have any dark ones, so we're just going to use the white ones and bleach them later.
Bleach. Okay, so here goes. You're going to take the washcloth and apply it to your face. You're going to press it down. Okay, I'm kind of like, soaking my face because I went in a little thick here. And I am just pulling it off. And look at that. Ooh.
It comes off a little like it's like sloughing the dead skin off.
Oh, yeah. Like nice. You can feel it and it feels good.
Yes, it does. All right, so we're going to wash this off and be ready to go. All right, now we've got everything taken off, rinsed off. Oh my gosh, how good does your face feel?
It feels so good, and I've got that nice smooth glow. My face, my neck.
That honeymoon glow.
I've got that honeymoon glow.
Yes. And it drew out like the impurities, right? I have a couple zits here going on and it's pulling them out.
Look at this one here that it's pulled out. Like within the next day or two.
Mm-hmm. I think I'm going to use the mask tomorrow again too.
I'm definitely
This is a mask
you
can use consecutively a few times if you're trying to draw out those impurities. But my skin just, if I look closely, it has a little bit of a yellow tone, but it looks glowing. It feels amazing. It does.
And all you got to do, guys, to use that mask again is just pop this mixture into your refrigerator, take it out again. If you want to put it at a room temperature for a few minutes or so, do that, and you're going to be all good to go.
Definitely. So if you want more tips, tricks, DIYs like this, subscribe to our page down below.
Hit that button.
Absolutely. And we will leave the ingredients in the comments below. Let us know if you want to see something specific. Thanks for watching and take care.
Subscribe. Become a part of our family. Take care.
Ciao.